Hello, hi, namaskar everyone. This is Govind Bhaktani and you are watching MacTech. So friends, unless you have been living under a rock, you must have heard of VTech. But what is VTech? What does it do? And how is it different from Ivy Tech? To know all of this and much more, just watch this video till the end. So friends, first we talk about VTech. VTech means variable wall timing and lift electronically controlled. It is a system that uses two camshaft profiles. First camshaft profile is for low RPM, which provides good torque and excellent drivability. And second camshaft profile is for greater lift and longer wall timing for wall opening. So now the thing is, why is this system implemented? So this system provides greater increase in horsepower at higher RPM. So some of you guys know that camshaft spins half as fast as crankshaft, by which the wall timing and wall overlapping is different at different RPM. So for solving this problem, one camshaft is designed for higher RPM to improve horsepower at higher RPM. Now the next thing is VTech E. So now the VTech E is far different from standard VTech. This system is not designed for improving horsepower at high RPM, but it is designed for improving fuel efficiency at low RPM. And it does this by effectively forcing engine to run as lower or decreased wall engine compared to their actual wall count. This system decreases fuel consumption but lacks higher horsepower, which is provided by VTech. Now the next thing is VTC. VTC means variable wall timing control. It is a mechanism that allows camshaft gear to continuously vary, and this allows the wall overlap to adjust at any given RPM, which further improve fuel efficiency and power output. Now the next and main thing comes Ivy Tech. Ivy Tech means intelligent variable wall timing and lift electronically controlled. It is a system that combines VTech and VTC in one unit. This system has two camshaft profiles, one for low RPM and second for higher RPM, plus VTC, which allows it to wall overlapping at any RPM. Now there are two types of Ivy Tech systems. First is K20A2, and in this K20A2 system, VTech engages at 5800 RPM while VTC is always active, by which this system provides 10 horsepower more than the just VTech standard system. Now the second Ivy Tech system is K20A3. Well, this system is far different from K20A2 system because it is a combination of VTech E and VTC. So this system at low RPM allows only one intake valve to open, by which the fuel efficiency increases, and then at 2200 RPMs it engages all the intake valve, which allow engine to run as normal valve engine. Now the question is, how does this system increases horsepower? So horsepower is just a measure of torque and RPM, and in order to increase torque, we must let more air and fuel into the engine, and to increase more air in the engine, the valve must open further and for longer duration. And as I told you that camshaft spin half as fast as crankshaft, so it is not possible for all RPM. And introducing multiple camshaft, it optimized lift. Since the camshaft is optimized for both low and high RPM, which increases torque, which is directly equal to increasing horsepower. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up to the video and share this video with your friends, family and everyone you know in the world. You can follow me on social media, links are in description, and last but not the least, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Shukran and have a nice day.